Have you ever wondered where players find the islands that are not provided by the City Hall? In this video, we will learn 1. Where to find Conquest of Dawn and what islands it provides. 2. How to obtain the island. 3. Where to find the obtained island. 4. What are the bottles for and how to use the treasure. First, let's introduce where to find them. To enter the Conquest of Dawn mode, press the battle button on the home screen, click Expedition, and click Conquest of Dawn. Currently, there are 6 chapters in total. They are Blizzard Frontier, Doom Volcano, Thunder Fjord, Storm Isles, Frozen Empire, and Undead Realm. The difficulty of each chapter is different. You can check the required power above the gate of the chapter. Each chapter provides different islands. Blizzard Frontier, Thunder Fjord, and Storm Isles provide 6 by 6 islands. Doom Volcano, Frozen Empire, and Undead Realm provide 7 by 7 islands. If you complete all chapters, you will get 17 new islands. Let's see the islands. How to obtain the islands. To obtain the island, the player needs to complete the chapter. Completing the chapter means beating the final island of the chapter. As you can see, each final island is covered by the dome and surrounded by the clouds. To reach the final island, the player needs to remove the dome and the clouds. How to remove the dome and the clouds to beat the final island. The dome. To remove the dome, the player needs to complete the required number of Mimir's quests. You can check the number of the required quests and how many of them are completed in the bottom left corner of the screen when you enter the chapter. The player does not need to complete every quest of the chapter. To check the quests, you need to tap on the island you want to attack. If Mimir's head is next to the island, it means that the quest of the island is not completed. If there is no Mimir's head next to the island, it means that the quest is completed. Now let's compare what the islands look like. The island is not beaten and the quest is not completed. The building has not changed and Mimir's head is next to it. The island is beaten but the quest is not completed. The building has changed but Mimir's head is next to it. The island is beaten and the quest is completed. The building has changed and there is no Mimir's head. 2. The clouds. To remove the clouds, you do not need to complete the quests, you only need to beat most of the islands in the chapter. As you can see, not all quests are finished, but all clouds are removed. After the clouds and the dome are removed, you can attack the final island to obtain the island. Where to find your new island? Enter the City Hall on the main screen and click the Islands button at the bottom of the screen. What are the bottles for and how to use the treasure? Bottles are something you can find in every chapter containing the maps. When you pick the bottle, you will receive a treasure map. Find a place in the chapter that is similar to the place with the treasure chest and tap it. You will receive the treasure. The treasure is a decoration that you can use in the homeland. Summary. 1. You can obtain islands in the Conquest of Dawn. 2. You need to beat the final island. 3. You need to remove the dome and the clouds to reach the final island. 4. To remove the dome, you need to complete a certain number of quests in the chapter. Note, no need to complete all quests. 5. To remove the clouds, you need to beat most of the islands in the chapter. 6. After beating the final island, you can check and change it in the City Hall. 7. The treasure map can be used to collect decorations for the homeland. If you find this video useful, leave a like,